What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about TAR's AI. This is my second top AI conviction, my top conviction other than Solidus AI Tech, the only two AI projects that I hold in my portfolio, because you don't really need to diversify too much when you've already identified winners. And today I'm going to talk about exactly why I'm so bullish on this project, what I expect out of it, and so on and so forth. So let's get straight to the video. So TAR's AI is a project that should be sold directly to you just for a very simple factor. This is the only project, I repeat, the only project into the AI field to be backed by the Solana Foundation. I'm not sure if you realize how big of a deal this is, but it's freaking huge, let me tell you, because the Solana Foundation is very selective with the funding, is very selective with who they support, and this is the only AI project supported out there. You can see it on the website, by the way, if you're looking for confirmation. They also list Google in terms of partnership. I'm not sure what that entails. I wasn't able to find much information, to be honest. And also there's exchange partnerships like Bybit and Gate, and I would recommend you guys to buy this on Bybit if you're looking to buy this. I have a referral link down in the description with a huge introductory offering right now, and also the usual $30,000 plus deposit in welcome rewards campaign. So a link down in the description if you want to join and you're going to be able to participate. But let's go and start from a fundamentals perspective, because when it comes to the chart reading, etc., we're only at 68 million in market cap. So we're around almost half of the market cap of the Solidus AI Tech. And obviously, if I'm comparing it with projects like Render or BitTensor TAI, this is much smaller in market cap, which obviously carries a higher degree of risk, but it also gonna potentially give you massive rewards. And as I was mentioning about the Solana Foundation, this is obviously a project on Solana. And the circulating supply is quite high for an AI project, 54% right now. A lot of people actually have asked me about how this project looks in terms of dilution. So let's find out. If we go on cryptorank.io and click on vesting, we can actually see all the vesting data. I'm not too bothered about what the tokenomics looks like. I'm only caring about the dilution, because that is gonna dictate how inflationary or deflationary a token is gonna be. So we're having the standard monthly unlocks, and let's say that I buy it right now. So with 22% circulating supply, the data is very different. Here is showing one thing, on the coin market cap is showing one other. I'm not really sure what to believe, but I'm just gonna base myself on CryptoRank when it comes to the evaluation I'm making right here. So 22% in terms of circulating supply. Let's say that I want to sell this in March, when I could expect the peak of the bull run to be when it comes to the altcoin season, and we're seeing that the circulating supply is going to go from 22 to 39. That is slightly below 2x in terms of dilution, which is actually not that bad. To anywhere below 2x is actually very good for an AI project. And obviously, think about projects like AI Tech, that despite the fact that they had a very terrible token vesting, they were able to do almost a 40x for me and my VIP group from the moment that I sent an alert. Nobody really cared, and this is why I really want to emphasize this. When it comes to a bear market and a bull market, the concept of dilution is very different, because in a bear market, every unlock lower lows and lower highs, right? But when it comes to a bull market and an actual altcoin season, nobody really cares, and the price action is still going to be parabolic if the project is fundamentally strong. Now, if a project has a 20x dilution, such as the case of some gaming project, then we could fall into, other territories. But if we're talking about 2x dilution, that is absolutely nothing in an altcoin season. So that is not a point of concern. The volume is actually quite high for an AI project right now, despite the fact that the market is still quite bearish overall. And 68 million really tells us that this project can go towards the billions of market cap, and I'm not overestimating this at all. So what is TARS in the first place? So TARS is part of AI projects when it comes to AI agents, so large language models. Think about something like ChatGPT, but on the blockchain. And they've got their own platform that you can launch with clicking here on the website on Launch Console, and you're going to be able to get access to a variety of things and even perform actions through AI agents with your own wallet. So for instance, you're going to be able to set up limit orders, or ask what the price of Solana is, and buy Solana when it reaches $160, and also move money across your different wallet addresses. The fact that this is on Solana, and obviously with the backing of the Solana Foundation, definitely gives it a lot of competitive edge. The token holders, more than 20,000, so that is pretty huge. The buyback is almost 500,000 and a lot of burning taking place as well. You can see the graph of TARS AI, the TARS burner progress, very good because it means that the token is deflationary. And Dojo Protocol, another project that was very bullish, then had a very big of a dip. I'm not really following this one, but it's another project that has been incorporated by TARS AI. And also we have the proprietary TARS search engine, which is called TARS GPT, which is pretty much the ChatGPT version of TARS AI, super bullish. The team is doxed, which is definitely something good to see if you invest into something for the long term. Social media presence is absolutely huge, more than 200,000 followers at the time of me shooting this video. And also the partnerships are heavily expanding and you can keep track of this into their X profile. They just partnered with OKX, which is obviously a tier 1, according to some people, exchange, which could be massive, especially if we have a listing coming into place sooner than later. I think that they're absolutely ready to list on other exchanges. They're just waiting for the perfect moment and the bull run to actually start with the Apptober that everybody's expecting in this very moment. And other partnerships as of recent include BitGet Wallet, new integrations with Bybit, and with a variety of other emerging AI projects in the field. The project has been audited by Certic. You guys know that this is the most authoritative smart contract auditor, and Certic audits make this kind of projects ultimately almost rug-proof. There's nothing certain in crypto, but I'm still yet to find a project that has been audited by Certic to eventually rug. When it comes to some basic chart reading, we are sitting at 55% down from the previous all-time high. The chart is not showing the initial candle, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. This project is 50% from all-time high, so it's not corrected 80 to 90% down like the majority of AI projects even. So it could potentially show some bit of strength. I always tell people to study the projects that are outperforming everything else. Obviously, this project also launched into a very unfortunate moment because it was pretty much at the time of the halving and everything just went downhill from there, as we're aware of all these 6 months of a downtrend. And it's showing a lot of strength as of recent. You can see this gold green candle that made the project almost do a 2x. And right now we've corrected with Bitcoin going down and all the real world events that have made the market turn bearish for the moment at least. I still believe that October is going to be the month that we expect it to be. I think that this project is going to be very much in the green, and I think that just a few weeks from now, we're potentially even going to sit at new all-time highs, and I could expect even something like a 10x by the end of the year and going even into 100x territory at the peak of the bull market next year. That would be my honest price prediction. I know it's very broad in terms of range, but this is 100% going to go towards the billions in market cap, and we could achieve 1 billion even as early as January next year. Obviously, don't take anything that I'm saying right now as financial advice. It's just my own interpretation, and make sure to do your own research as always. If you had been in my private group, you would have caught exactly the bottom. We ended up doing almost a 2x. Now it came down a little bit, but I'm also 100% sure that we're going to go to new highs sooner than later. As I said earlier, you can buy this on Bybit, and in terms of other affiliate exchanges, I also have a massive offering with JumpX that is going to give you up to $100,000 into trading bonus, and this exchange is non-KYC and no VPN needed. I thank you so much for watching this video. As always, let me know what you think about TARS AI down in the comments. I want to hear from you. And if you want to get all of my buy alerts, and just like that, you would have found TARS AI at the very bottom, and also all of my swing trades, all of my Memecoin trades, portfolio reviews, 24/7 support, technical analysis from experts, private sales access, and a variety of other benefits. All is on my website, cipro.com. It's the first link down in the description. You might have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity this bull cycle to create generational wealth. Don't waste it. I hope to see you there and help you out with your crypto investing journey. And until then, take care for now.